What's happening? Welcome back. So we have had a bit of a hiatus. We do apologise. We've had an awful month, like pair of us. It's been a rough time, but we've got some fresh content coming. So we've got Mark 5. Do you want to pan and show Mark 7 quickly? Yeah, headache.
Brokered.
Yeah, brokered. If you remember, about a month or two ago, as of filming, we actually did a partnership with a lovely company called Eonon, and they sent us a portable Apple CarPlay. We've been lucky enough to work with them again. So we're going to show you some lovely sauce today. We've got something nice for the Mark 5. I know the Mark 5 was in the last one, but that's just because both of our cars are off the road and dusty. So we have got a brand new Android 13 head unit for the Mark 5. So if you've seen inside the Mark 5 before, it's got like an old 5-inch one with horrible fascia around it. So this is going to look a lot more clean, a lot more simple. It's going to tie in nicely. It's brand new software, obviously Android 11 or 12's on that, so it's brand new. We're going to unbox it today for you. It comes in this nice, Eonon's packaging's pretty bang on, like from the few things that we've opened now. And let's open this bit first. It comes with all of the cables you need, and then there is accessories you can add on. So you can get a dash cam, and you can also get an OBD2 reader if you use Android phones. So it literally comes with everything. DAB antenna for the radio, and it comes with literally every cable you would possibly need. So we'll set that to one side. So the bit you actually want to see, the piece de resistance, as our cousins from France would say. Proper nice. Also pretty thin as well. Like when you think, I'd imagine it'd be a bit thicker than that. But obviously it's just the benefit of like software. Nice branding on the back, Eonon. Very nice. 9-inch QLED display. Today we're going to be testing this out, and I've saved this for you, Thomas. So now you like having a go.
Look at that.
Oh. So yeah, we're going to be installing this today, and we're also going to be fixing something while we're in there. You join us inside now. This is the handsome Thomas.
Hello, hello.
We also, if you remember, we have this lovely carbon fibre. I'll switch the camera to a bit more fisheye. So we've got this lovely carbon fascia that we had custom made by Ritchie Exclusive Composites. So we're just going to have to take all this off. And the clips have snapped, so we're going to adjust the clips while we're in here. It's a bit of a, not just a lovely install, but a fixing as well.
Risky business.
It is a bit of an involved install taking this out. It's a bit long-winded.
It's all right when you've got normal trim that flexes,
Yeah.
but when parts are being carbon, people don't understand. Like the parts now are more brittle because it's been in oven.
Yeah.
It's been heated up, so it's lost its like flexible properties, one would say. So it's more easier to break, isn't it, Jack?
As I found out when I installed it. This is going to be the bit that's going to wind me up. Obviously I've got to transfer that onto there. Hopefully I don't break anything.
You just have to get heat gun them up first. I'm blaming Richie anyway.
Yeah.
Fucking.
Put it in the oven too long.
That's it.
The top bit comes out first.
I know, but it should like, there we go. Pop it up.
So it just slide off. So we're going to be fixing these mounting points here. But the head unit just slides out these 4 T20s, isn't it?
Should be just 4 T20s and there should be like 3 or 4 plugs on back.
So even look at the size difference between the old one. Obviously this is a very old style radio. Old style, just dash it. I'll leave it as a spare in case. It's a brand new Eonon radio going in.
That's your aerial.
So we've wired it all up. It's fairly easy really if you've got an OEM one. Obviously we already had an aftermarket one in, so it's slightly more difficult. So we've basically reverted it to OEM and then plugged it all in. Everything's pretty easy. There is an online install manual, but for the first start, Big TC's done a solid job. Or your Bluetooth not working?
My phone's just damaged.
So obviously this is Eonon. Loads of nice things. Bit of YouTube.
Oof. Look at that.
I need to set up the hotspot so you can watch NOMESSIN when you're knocking about. If you remember, I said about this OBD setting. If you wanted to upgrade yours to have a OBD reader built in, they obviously do that.
Big Netflix.
Netflix.
Oof. Look at that.
You can watch some Stranger Things while you're doing dangerous activities.
While you're doing dangerous things.
Yeah, dangerous things while you're watching Stranger Things. But yeah, pretty easily. There is a camera if you wanted to upgrade to a front camera. Obviously, we've not got it on Google Chrome. Pretty much. Even if you want to check your emails, you can check your emails. Big thanks to Eonon.
I'll be getting one of the portable ones, that Eonon cell, for Mark II when that's done, because we can just bolt it in dash. I'll make a little custom bracket or get somebody to 3D print one, and then have that in there. So I get Apple CarPlay Mark II while
ripping about.
But yeah, let's see.
We just got to fix me carbon fascia, and then we'll see you back then when it's all sorted.
No problemos.
So we've arrow darted it back in. Just got to let it set now with some duct tape, but trim pieces going back in. Eonon.
Big G's.
Eonon head unit, looking fresh inside. Bit dusty now because we've had our mitts on it.
Oh.
Yeah, I think we should finish it off nicely before we round off the video. I want you to do the honours, Tom.
What's that, G-Star?
Put this sticker on.
Where do you want it? There, yeah?
Yeah.
Just cover that up.
Yeah, you can do. Like you shushed him then.
Chill your batty.
Big shout out to Ryan at Garage Midnight for sending us these.
Real bad man.
That vent pisses me off.
Yeah, it's annoying me. So we have to give Danny at Wigan Vag Parts a shout, I think, for a new top vent, and then because we're just slow. Every time we try and install something nice, we just break it a bit more in here. Big install of the Eonon brand new head unit, looking lovely. Obviously 9-inch QLED screen, loads of built-in settings. Obviously you've got Netflix, YouTube, OBD reader, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got hundreds of different settings that you can change. Obviously you saw just us doing the amplifier.
There's an app store in there as well, so you can literally download what you want anyway.
That's it. You can do it all EQ, which I'll have to mess about with. You got your positioning, everything plugs in. My steering wheel controls works. Proper sick head unit. Just want to say a massive thank you to them for sorting us out. Obviously you've got customizable UI as well. Comes with 3 built in. I like the look of that one, me.
There we go. That's better. Decent, that.
Mirroring. Wide mirroring.
I mean, I did set up.
Yeah. Overall,
You've got a calculator.
Yeah.
I'm just work Jack's bill out.
Plus tax.
Plus VAT.
Plus VAT. Yeah, we'll get off that so he forgets that number. Once again, I just want to say a big thank you to Eonon. The links for this will be in the description, and they have kindly sent us another discount code. So it's NOMESSIN. Save yourself some money off. I want to say a big thank you again to Zoe, specifically at Eonon. She is unreal to deal with. She is so helpful. Any question I've answered. And this was actually delivered to my house in less than 48 hours because they have warehouses in England. Hope you enjoyed. Obviously, interior has had a nice upgrade today, and I want you all to go and have a look. Just have a butcher's in the description, and if you want one, let us know if you do end up buying one. because we'd really appreciate it. So I just want to thank you for watching today. Thanks from me and Tom, and we'll see you in a bit.